Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic working in Excel. In this video, we will go through different topics of Excel which include the selection in a worksheet. So it means that what we are going to select in a worksheet, and second one is editing the text, means how we are going to edit the cell contents. Next one is font formatting. Font formatting means we will apply different things regarding the font. It can be the font color and it can be the font size. We will change the font size also in Excel, so that we will do. And next one is the cell formatting, means the orientation. We can change the orientation of the cell, and we can set the alignment of the cell, so that we will do in this topic. Next one is inserting rows and columns, how to insert a row and a column in Excel. After that, we will study the copying and moving data in Excel, and then we will study the important feature autofill feature. Okay, so one by one we will start with selection in a worksheet. So we are working in a worksheet. So this worksheet contains a table. So you can see a table here, and here these are the columns A, B, C, D, E, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the rows. So while selecting a table or some cells, we have to select a single cell. So as soon as I click here, the cell is selected. And if I want to select multiple cells, I have to click here and then drag the mouse. I can easily select the cells. Suppose I want to select this table. First of all, I will click on the first cell, and then I will clicking the left click, and then we can drag so that this table can be selected. So this is very easy. We can select multiple cells as well as a single cell. Now we can edit the content of the cell as well. Suppose I want to write here, instead of Taj Mahal or instead of this lotus temple, here I want to write the India Gate. So just clear the text and write India Gate. So the text we can change easily here by just clicking and changing the text. So this is how we can easily edit the text of the cell. Suppose I want to add a new row here, data in a new row. I can write anything here. Suppose I write here, and here I write meso, and suppose I want that, so the data has been entered here, and now I want to remove this. I can easily click here, and then I can delete the cell, the content of the cell. So the data is can easily be entered here and can easily be deleted. So this is how we can select, we can edit the data of the cell. So now next topic is the font formatting. Font formatting means we can change the size, we can change the color of the cell and of the font as well. So suppose I want to change here the size of this data, I can easily just select the data which you want to change, go here, and you can easily increase or decrease the font size. It is as easy as you can see it here. And you can also set the font color. Suppose I want to set the font color of the first row to this color. You can see here I can change it to blue color. So the font color we can also change easily. Suppose I want to set the background color of this cell to yellow. So we can easily select it and just go here. It will set the fill color of the cell. I want to set the color of New Delhi cell to some color. So go here, select the cell, and then select the color which you want to keep in New Delhi. So this New Delhi cell has been selected with the New Delhi with the green color. This cell has been filled with the green color. So these are the different aspects of. We can also provide a border. Suppose I want that Agra should come in a border. We can provide it here This is the types of borders you can see in this table. So I want a border which is a thick border, outside border. Okay, we can take the outside border. So you can see this cell of Agra is now set with a border, okay, on all the four sides. So this is the font formatting which we can apply to each cell of the Excel. Next thing is the cell formatting means we can change the orientation of the cell. Okay, suppose this cell, we can increase the width here, the cell Agra. Okay, in this cell, if I want that it should come in the middle, so I can set the alignments. We have 6 text alignments in Excel. We have 3 vertical alignments and 3 horizontal alignment. You can see on the top we have the 3 alignments, and here also we have horizontal 3 alignments. Suppose I want to place it in this, it is the middle line of vertical alignment. Suppose I want to keep it in middle, it will go in the central alignment of horizontal. So we can easily change the alignment. Now next thing is the orientation. Suppose I want to change the orientation of monument. Orientation means the text is oriented at what angle. So here we can orient the cell. Just select the cell. You can select the cell monument, and then here you can see the different types of orientation. Just click here, so the cell will be selected as the orientation of the cell will be angle counterclockwise, or we have multiple different cell orientations you can see here. So this is the cell editing, or we can say cell formatting. Now next thing is how we are going to enter a row, how we are going to insert a row or insert a column. Suppose this is a row and I want to insert a new row. So just go here to the insert option and insert cells. So a new row is being inserted at the top of this row. A new row is inserted here, you can easily see. Next thing is, if I want to insert a column, how I'm going to do that? Just click here, go to insert, and you can insert the column. So here I have inserted a column before the column place. And there is a shortcut key we can insert by clicking here also. Just click on insert. Suppose I want to insert between India Gate and Hawa Mahal a row I want to insert. Just click here on 6, select this row, right click and insert. So you can easily insert the row before India Gate. So this is much easy, you can see. Now next thing is copying and moving of data. Suppose I want to copy this table to a new location. I want to copy this table. Just click here. You can go to this clipboard copy option, and then I want to place it here. Okay, I want to paste it here. Just you can see a new table is created. The same table is copied here. So if I want to move a cell, the content of the cell, suppose I want to move the content of the cell New Delhi, I want that this should come to a new place. Just click here and then go click here, and then you can paste here. Just right click or you can paste here. So this New Delhi cell has been moved to a new place. पहले यहाँ पे था and now it has came to a new place. So this is how we are going to use the move and copy features in Excel. Now next thing is how we are going to use the autofill feature. Okay, the next most important thing is the autofill feature. Autofill feature is a important feature of Excel. It is autofill feature means the data will be automatically filled in the cells. How we are going to use it? Suppose I want to write here 1, 2 and up to 20 I want to write. So instead of writing it manually, I can select the cell here. Then I have to go to the corner and then You can see a plus sign is now appearing. Just drag it, clicking the left click of the mouse and drag it to 20. So you can easily see the counting has been written up to 20. So this is the autofill feature. Suppose I want to write all the days of the week. I just have to write only one single day and then drag it up to the day which we want. So this is automatically filled by the Excel. Suppose similarly if I want to write the month's name up to December from January, just select the cell, go to the corner, you can see the fill handle and then fill the thing up to the December. You can see here. So all the months of the year has been written here. We have to just write the first entry in case of week or this months, but in case of here we have to write at least two numbers. Suppose I want to write a table of 5, I have to write 5, then I have to write 10. After that it will work, the work will be done by auto fill feature. We can easily see the table has been written up to 50. So this is how we can use the autofill feature to save our efforts and save our time. So we will learn more things of Excel in the next video.